What is good, you guys? Good morning. Pretty sure a lot of you guys are chilling at home doing nothing really. A friend of mine told me about this app called Instacart. I've tried it out for about 3 days, and I figured while I'm out and about driving, there's a lot of people out there that might want to know about it, that might be struggling, or that just might want a little bit more money. It's not a passive type of income, but it's something you can do if you're bored, or if like you really need it. Like somebody like me, I like to stay ahead, so I somewhat need it. And there's also a lot of time gaps in my day, even though I do so much. So after trying this out for about 2 or 3 days, it's very lucrative. And to me, it's fun. To other people, they might hate it, but to me, it's fun. I like it. Hold on. Y'all check this out. That's what I made with 2.5 days worth of work. So you better listen. And I'm not even a pro at it. I'm just getting my feet wet. I just thought I would inform you with a good informative video. I did the math based off of my effort, not other people's effort. I looked up the statistics of the highest earners on Instacart, and they earned up to $2,000 to $3,000. I think it was either a week or a month. But with the math I've done and the work I've done, I could earn up to $300 a day. Let's talk about that. The app is pretty simple. The one thing I love the most about it, I'm actually doing one right. I just finished dropping one off. I'm about to go do another one. I usually need the GPS to guide me to the store because they of course are going to provide you with the address, but I'm already starting to learn most of these stores like the back of my hand. So I know how to get to them, and I know how to go in and out and know where everything is without me having to be frustrated trying to find out where everything is when I get in the store. When you download the app, there is a waiting list. I don't know why there's a waiting list. I don't know why you can't just sign up. Maybe they got a limited amount of people that can drive for them. I don't know. Maybe it's your driving record or your criminal record. I don't know. There's people like me who hop on the app, and the waiting list only lasts like a day or a couple of minutes or an hour. I don't know. Then there's other people who get on the waiting list trying to download the app, and it takes like weeks or months before they accept you. Or they might never accept you because of whatever you did in the past. I don't know. But after you get accepted, when you download the app, you can use my code down below if you want to. I'll put a link down in the description. It'll be the first thing you see. So if you are not familiar with my channel, make sure you subscribe. When you first log on, the way you earn money, how you get the money, of course you're gonna put your social security number. I mean, it's a business. It's basically another side business. You have to put your social security, all that other stuff in there before you get started. That's obvious. Because at the end of the year, they tally up all your stuff, and then they send you the W-2, 1090, whatever it is. They send you the paperwork and all that stuff, because you got to do taxes. But the way you get paid, they don't do it through PayPal like Get Upside. You just like put your bank account information in, and whatever you've earned, it goes directly to your bank account by Monday. So you can't just stack it up in there. It goes straight to your bank account on Monday, transitioning from Sunday. Or as soon as you make the money, you can cash out the next day. You can cash out the very day you made it, but sometimes it'll take the tips that you get on top of the orders that you do. It takes them about 24 hours to process. So I would really wait till I have access to that money, and then I'll cash out the rest of it if you need it right then. That's how the money gets sent to you. Now, the way you make the money is whatever time you get up in the morning, or if you want to do this full time or something, or if you just got nothing else better to do, you're a teen in college, I don't know your situation, or if you get off of work and you feel motivated to make more money, there are these things that pop up called batches. Every batch is going to be different. One batch might be $7, one batch might be $40, one batch might be $30, $60, you never know. All these batches, you take a look at them and you decide whether or not they're going to be worth your time or not. Like this last one I just did, it's at Costco. All I had to do was pick up 2 items. I already knew where they were, so I was in and out in 3 minutes. And it tallies up how many miles I'm going to drive in order to drop these items that I get from the store off. So it said 7 miles, 2 items, paid me $18. based off of what I get paid, which is bare minimum $7, and the customer adds the tip. Then they bring those together, letting me know how much I'm gonna make off the delivery. So in and out the store, 3 minutes, 17 minutes down the road, drop it off at the house, snap a picture showing proof that I dropped it off at their door in case somebody steals it. Then I'm off to my next order, which I am doing right now. One thing I like about the app is how it literally walks you through every single step. If you don't understand, all you gotta do is play around with it, practice. Like, it's so freaking simple. I've done a lot of business. I've had a lot of different side hustles, businesses. Still have some right now. I've had a lot of jobs. I would say this is the simplest, easiest way to make money I have ever seen. Somebody else's loss is my gain. Somebody else's gain is my gain. If somebody over there, somewhere, wherever, a stay-at-home mom or somebody don't feel like going to get their groceries like during Christmas time, or they just don't feel like leaving the house, they pay me to go pick their groceries up and bring them to their house. I don't mind doing that. Some people might say, hey, this is a way for me to be more free. I got more time to myself. I don't need to go get my groceries. I'd rather pay somebody else to do it. If I need the money, that's my gain. If they need more time, that's their gain. Win-win situation. Some of y'all might come across this video and be like, that's not true. You can't make $300 in a day. Well, what time do you get up? I get up at 7 o'clock in the morning. How do you look at the batches? Because some people just jump on whatever. I can look at the batch and assess how long it's going to take me to do their order. And if it's not worth my time, I'm not going to take it. If I see something that says I have to deliver to 3 different houses, because sometimes it can put more than one order in a batch to like 2 to 3 separate people, I could look at that and say it says it's going to pay me $15. But if I have to go to 3 separate houses, that might take me about 2-3 hours. That's not worth my time. That might be worth somebody else's time. It's not worth my time. Now, like yesterday, if I see an order for $32, I only have to deliver to 1 house. I had to pick up 39 items at Publix. I seen that. That was a no-brainer. I swiped on it. I took it. That was worth my time. I made $32. It took me about 1 hour, but it was worth it. It's better than me driving to 3 different houses for $15. Would have took me about 3-4 hours. Especially if I was unfamiliar with the store I'm going to. I tallied it up in my calculator. If you want to make $2,000 a week, let's say you drive 5 days a week and you take the weekend off. You'd have to make $400 5 days out of the week. That means you have to get up at 7 a.m. if not 6:30, because some stores open up really early, and grind throughout the entire morning, day, and maybe even the evening based off how many batches you got in and how much you got paid. It's possible, but you can't be lazy. This is not a hustle that's for lazy people. If you don't like driving, which you can write the mileage off on your taxes, by the way. If you don't like driving, this isn't for you. If you don't like getting up early, well, based off where your goals are, and you're trying to make $300 a day or more, if you don't like driving or getting up early because early bird gets the worm, then you're not going to make that money. If you only want a little bit, then do whatever you want to do. I'm a grinder. I like to stay ahead. So if I need to get up early to get the good stuff, I'm going to get up early to get the good stuff. But if you were to do it every single day throughout a week, you would have to make $285 every day, 7 days straight, if you ain't got nothing else better to do, or if you don't have another job, which is very possible, easily possible, especially if you're having fun. $2,000 a week. Practice doesn't always make perfect, but it always does make better. The more you do it, the better you'll get. The first 2 stores I went to were so frustrating, but every day I do it, I lessen the amount of time it takes me to make a certain amount of money. First day I made $30. Second day I made $97. Next day I made $129. And as you can see, I made $377. It's not hard, it's actually really simple. And that's not even like, I'm not even doing it like as a full-time gig on its own. I got a lot of other stuff going on, but I just thought I'd put you guys on. But appreciate you guys for watching. I got more videos coming on the way. I've never done one like this before, but I hope that was informative. I hope it helps somebody, and I hope you guys get as much results as I am getting with this app. It's always nice to have extra money coming from somewhere. So hope you have a good day. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and check out my other videos when you get a chance. I'll see you. Peace.